If you ask me what drives me crazy, the answer would be tomatoes. Hello everyone, we are from group number 4, guided by architect Pratik Dhanmer, architect Shantanu Avdade and architect Prachi Pol. If you ask me, do I know urban farming? Well, the answer would be no. So, our ultimate goal was to gain some practical knowledge from this studio. Hence, we decided to limit ourselves to tomatoes, which would take us to reality of urban farming. So, what if there are 4 buildings in a complex with each building of 4 floors and 8 families, which would make them total 144 people altogether? And if one tomato plant would give us 5 tomatoes after every 4 days, hence per month a plant would give us 32 tomatoes for a person. So, we would need 150 tomatoes per month just for a person. And as we have considered a complex which has 144 people, so for 144 people we would need 21,600 tomatoes per month. It's a lot, right? So if a single plant would give us 32 tomatoes, hence for getting 21,600 tomatoes we would need 675 plants. But for growing tomatoes we need to study about them as well. So, during autumn, the process of growing tomatoes starts from May up till November, and during spring, it's from November to April. To grow them well, we also need to take proper care. So, here is the user analysis per plantation for a single individual. If you are getting a question of where do we practice urban farming, well, the answer would be wherever you get a free space, you grow a new plant, whether it's on ground, terrace, balcony, and the windows as well. Well, for inculcating a system, we need to consider some laws as well, which would be beneficial, like a policy which would incorporate scientific and technological advancement, a policy to encourage the user of biotechnology, the setting up of R&D centers. Such laws for cities with legal protection for areas and marked for urban agriculture is necessary. Do you know the wet waste which gets generated in our house could be used for manure? In our country, per capita waste generates from 0.2 kgs to 0.6 kgs, and 144 people in our complex would produce 57.6 kgs in one day, and for 1 year it would produce 21,024 kgs. Now comes the material required, which are the tomato seeds, fertilizers, supporting. In investing something, the cost analysis is something we need to think of. Giving support to the plant is also necessary, which makes it easy to harvest, keep fruits clean, avoid disease, and also makes it easy to spray and monitor problems. Now, how do we make it cost effective? We could take the pipe connection, give up on the rainwater and food waste, which would connect to the ground farming soil, and also utilize wastewater treatment plant in our complex. Now, for better understanding of the systems, I am going to narrate you a short story. 2 teenagers had once got the thought of growing their own food, that is, the urban farming. But how, right? So they went to the building secretary and the chairman. They also gave it a good thought. But will all society members would contribute? Well, yes, many were ready. So they formed a committee of the building which would distribute the work amongst the people for planting, transplanting, daily care, watering, harvesting and distribution. So they made a distribution chart per building. Interesting, isn't it? The production gave them a lot of food. So, when the people got surplus amount of production, they started selling it in the nearby local markets. Slowly and gradually, the whole area got into urban farming, which made people more aware of growing their own food in their houses. So, the one building complex influenced so many people to practice urban farming. Hence, to reach somewhere, we need to start first. Once the harvest is done, it gets distributed amongst the resident people and the surplus amount of production gets to the local market to gain profit. So, as per our analysis, we need to invest 50 rupees in one plant, which makes total 32,050 rupees for 675 plant for 144 people in a complex. From one plant we get half kg of tomato, then from 680 plants we would get 340 kg of tomato after every 4 days. So we would get total 10,200 kg of production in 4 months. And if we decide to sell the 50% of the production to the local market, as per the local price, we would gain the profit of rupees 75,000. Ron Finley once said, growing your own food is like printing your own money. And also garden is a friend. You can visit it anytime. Thank you.